As soon as our consciousness is purified, the false ego disappears. Like you have a disease, and you have so many symptoms of the disease: headache, fever, backache, can't digest, and so many problems are there. No energy, no stamina, and a negative view of the world, a general sense of ennui. Ennui means loss of desire to live. Ennui. I think it's ennui. Ennui. So then you go to a doctor, he says, oh, you're suffering from this and that and this and that. He diagnoses you. Then he gives you remedial measures of diet and medicine. And you follow the course, and pretty soon, El Dorado. You're cured. And you're healthy again. And you feel great, top of the world. So in the same way, now we are in a diseased state of consciousness. So we must take the medicine. We must take diet and medicine. What is the diet? Krishna Prasad. What is the medicine? Chanting Hare Krishna. Mahamantra. So this is when the conscious. So when the disease is cured, in other words, when we get free from the disease, then disease disappears and health comes. So when we get free from false ego, when we become Krishna conscious, then false ego disappears. So that's what he's saying. When the consciousness is purified, false ego disappears. When the disease is finished, then health comes back, and disease, when you take the medicine, it goes. So the purificatory process is called Krishna consciousness. The result of chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra is Cheto Darpana Marjanam. Because when the consciousness is cleansed, we can understand our eternal identity. This is actually, everyone experiences the fact, at least we can speak from our personal experience, that although we had practiced various forms of yoga, Raj Yoga, and other types of yoga systems before we came to Krishna consciousness, or met our Guru Maharaj, and we attained certain states of peace and certain states of enlightenment through meditation and pranayama and other practices and pursuits that we were following. But still, we're basically our operating program was false ego.